Understanding the phrase, honeymoon-like, a guide for English learners. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, honeymoon-like. This phrase is rich in meaning and often used in various contexts. So, let's dive in and discover its nuances together. The term, honeymoon, originally refers to a holiday taken by newlyweds immediately after their wedding. It's a time filled with happiness, harmony, and affection. When we add like to honeymoon, it transforms the noun into an adjective, meaning resembling or characteristic of a honeymoon. Therefore, honeymoon-like describes a situation, feeling, or period that is as blissful and idyllic as a honeymoon. To understand honeymoon-like better, let's look at some examples. 1. Their first month at the new job was honeymoon-like, full of enthusiasm and positive experiences. 2. Here, the phrase describes an initial period of great satisfaction and enjoyment in a new job. 3. The couple's weekend getaway had a honeymoon-like atmosphere, with romantic dinners and beautiful sunsets. 4. This sentence uses honeymoon-like to describe a romantic and joyful ambiance, similar to that of a honeymoon. Honeymoon-like can be used in various contexts. 1. Personal relationships. Describing a phase in a relationship where everything seems perfect and romantic. 2. Work and projects. Referring to the early stages of a new endeavor where everything seems to go smoothly. 3. Experiences and events. To describe a particularly enjoyable and blissful experience. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, honeymoon-like, confidently in your conversations and writing. Remember, it's a wonderful way to express joy, harmony, and a sense of ideal perfection. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.